Hi there, and welcome to another episode of introducing the winning i4Trust experiments. My name is Max Kleinsorg. I'm a marketing manager at Fiber Foundation in Berlin. And today with me is Javi Esquillor. He's the co-founder at Capital IT. Hi, Javi.
Hi Max. How are you doing?
Really good. Nice to have you with us today. Yeah, as I said, you're the co-founder at Capital IT. You're an advisor for urban mobility at the European Institute of Innovation and Technology and the German Cooperation Agency. You've been working for city or urban mobility all over the world, in Belgium, in Mexico, as I said, in the EU, of course, also in Germany. And yeah, it's great having you. You took part in an experiment by i4Trust. The i4Trust project has the goal to boost the development of innovative services around new data value chains. And also, yeah, we're just trying to enable SMEs and DIH to trustworthy and effective data sharing. And yeah, the challenge you answered to is about urban freight and in the end, last mile operations and logistics. I think we all know that last mile operations in cities get more and more important every day. We see delivery bikes all over the city. You can order everything online in 10 minutes nowadays, at least in the bigger cities. And yeah, it's great to see that we have someone here today that is in this field. And maybe you can just tell us a little bit about DV4CUL, and that's the name of your experiment, why you decided to join i4Trust, and yeah, why effective data sharing is needed, and how the standards and building blocks that are proposed by i4Trust help you to address this challenge.
Sure, Max. Thank you for this great introduction, and glad to be sharing with you why we choose i4Trust and what are we trying. You put it like perfect. Convenience is making complex everything. Is driving crazy supply chains. Satisfying increased demand of convenience is driving crazy urban logistics, hacking the conventional business models. We need to collaborate in order to become performant. Collaborating increase the level of complexity. We need information for dealing with this complexity, and we need information from different sources through systems that speak different languages. We need for operating and quicker this information for real-time operation. But we also need it beforehand for being able to realize which decisions we have to take, business decisions, now that business goes through collaboration. And here is where our experiment and i4Trust come. No? We develop a tool that makes logistics companies, but starting with psychologistics companies because they are the lowest equipped, the most, let's put it in these words, IT illiterate and invisible also. So the tool that we develop focus on helping them to realize how sharing information can help them to improve their performance by enabling them to choose how and when to collaborate so they can fit their organization and their value proposition. This awareness is key for making them require their IT providers to ease the exchange of info using standards. That is actually one of the main barriers in the sector. And then having a platform as i4Trust is key because how agile it is to comply with identity controls and to customize the way we can access, exchange public information, so we can build engagement quick and step by step with these companies that need to use these IT tools with the same language and based on evidences. And then there is this other part of i4Trust that is key also, that makes the difference regarding how you become aware of the value that data has for you, improving your activity and your performance, but also because others are ready to give you something because of your data.
Mhm.
And this makes the difference regarding incentivizing collaboration in these times of adapting business models. So this is great for us to work in this agile logic in a platform that makes collaborating, sharing information so quick and agile.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks for the explanation. As I said, I really appreciate learning about this project or experiment, because we all know the problems and we can experience them living in cities every day. So what would you say, how will it go on in the next month? What is your business projection?
So now we are focusing on making basic simulations for psychologistics companies, making them realize how I can perform better. So it is at the planning side, at the planning level of their operations. And then we start to integrate their customers, developing functionalities that allow to improve the way they relate between them. So first, we focus on we are targeting to develop a customize to enable psychologistics companies to customize offers, be more accurate the way they offer their services, and then to make them able to make suggestions also to their customers based on real time, but also increase visibility of context in order to help their customers to anticipate, adapt, optimize, and collaborate.
Yeah, okay. I mean, sounds like a good plan to me, and I wish you all the best for it. Thanks for joining in today, and yeah, happy to see you soon again. And yeah, thanks.
Thank you, Max.
Take care.